Hi, Barbara Carr with Fuse Business Training. Today I am going to share my screen and basically just walk you through how I teach my team how to make changes on some of the stuff we've done. So right now I'm going in and I'm analyzing something that's already been done. I'm just going to make a video of things that we should change and why we're changing them. And then I share this video with my team. So today I'm sharing this video with all of you and not just the team, but this will just give you an example of how things work on our team. So let me share my screen, share. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually, I'm in YouTube and I was actually starting to edit this, but I want to start over. So I'm going to just go back and it will probably say, I want to leave. I'm not going to save my changes because I'm going to start from scratch. So I found this particular video that's on our YouTube channel and I want to go to edit video. And what I'm doing now, as I scrolled down, I just want to make sure that everything makes sense, right? Like, so the icons here are how they're supposed to be. I love how my assistant did death by PowerPoint real big like that. It really stands out. I notice on my computer, there's this little red, see the red line underneath it? That's an extension that I have on my computer called Grammarly. It helps to point out if you have grammar mistakes. It works, it's an extension for Google Chrome. So I don't always just trust what Grammarly says. I read the sentence to see if it makes sense. So we are talking about ways to prevent Zoom fatigue, how to create content that also forms a connection with your audience and the meaning behind. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and take out that comma there like it suggested. And I'm going to continue to scroll down, see if there's anything I noticed. One of the things I noticed is see how this here, see how this here is bolded, but these ones are not. I want to bold that. And I'm not sure what okay. Whoa, where did it go? There it went. Okay, so sorry, my computer wigged out when I did that. So all I did to bold that, and I'm going to bold this one as well, is for a PC, I hold down Control and hit B for bold. If you are on a Mac, you would hold down Command and hit B for bold, and it bolded that just the way I wanted it to. Now, see how all of these are capitals, but these aren't? I am consistent with, I really like consistency. And with my hashtags, I normally only capitalize the first letter of each word, which is why my assistant did it this way, because she knows that's what I prefer. But if I'm keeping consistent with this, then what I want to do is I want to make all of this capital. And I'm just going to type that in, no more bad Zoom, because really down here it shows it the way I normally would want it, with hashtag. So consistency, I'm going to continue to go down. Now, what I want to show you, actually, over here on the right, do you see the video link? I'm going to click on that in a new tab because I want to show you why I'm about to do the next step that I'm doing. So as I scroll down, I hit show more, you'll notice that this website's not easy to just click on, right? I can't just click on it like I could if I come down here to the Fuse website. And the reason why is his starts with www and mine starts with the HTTP. Also an S because it's a safe site. Not all sites have the HTTPS yet, even though they should, because we're in 2021. So if your site's not secure, you really need to make sure you get an SSL certificate. So I'm going to erase the www dot in each one of these, and I'm going to replace it with HTTP : // Okay, so I'll do that for each one. Paste, and I'm going to hit save up in the top right just so that I can show you how that looks now. I will refresh over here. Let's see if it turned those into hyperlinks like we wanted to. Ta-da! So now people can go through and click these links very easily instead of having to type them in to their address bar. Okay, let's go back to edit mode. Now, the next thing you'll notice is right here, it says my business page. Now, obviously this is talking about Robbie's business page because it's in Robbie's contact information, but this is on Fuse's YouTube, so it's confusing. So what I would like to do is just take out the word my and just put business page. The reason it said my is because we just copy and paste what is filled out in our podcast application to put on here. And so we do need to do some edits, and this is part of the reason I'm making this video, to show the team that there will be some edits that we need to make, not just copy and pasting exactly what the person sends us. So so now that I've done that, I'll scroll down, and every video that we put out has about Barbara, about Fuse contact information. And then at the bottom of all the videos we do, we've got this links mentioned in this video, but you guys see, look, again, www, we don't want that one. We want HTTP, so that these can be hyperlinked, because again, I want to bring you down here. See, I can't just click on this easily. So I want to make that easily clickable for you guys, because I don't want you to have to work for this information, my awesome fans. So I'm going to come down and just change all of those, hit save on the top right over here. And then I'm going to refresh this so that we can look right here and see if that becomes hyperlinked like we want it to be. Show more, scroll down, it sure is. See, I can click on all of these and go directly to the page that it says. Now, the next thing I want to look at is down here where it says, remember to tune in live every Tuesday at 2. Well, it just occurred to me, and this is not my team doing anything wrong. This is the way I set up this template for them. But I just realized that maybe it would be a good, maybe it'd be important to put the link here just in case somebody finds it elsewhere. You know what? Actually, no, now that I'm saying this out loud, I thought about that when I first created this template, and then I thought that would just get too confusing, and I want to end with this bold statement, not with a link. So never mind, forget about that. So as we scroll down, as you see, my assistant put a custom thumbnail here. And actually, I'm not going to go through all this on this video. I want to just move on to the next video, because I believe there's one more thing on one of the previous videos that I want to also edit. So I'll do that while I'm here. So I'll go to the Barbara Talks Business Podcast, find the video I want, which is this one with Destiny. I'm going to click on it, and actually I'll click on it here and then edit video. All right, so as I scroll down, one of the things I pointed out to my assistant, and I had told her I'd make a video to show her how to do this, is, as you notice, well, Destiny Cobb's a beautiful woman, and this is a boy right here next to her name. And that's because it was copied from the previous podcast of Who Was a Man, right? Destiny was the first one that we had as a female since we started using this template. So I want to show my assistant that actually you could just Google girl emoji con, oops, spell it right. And then you could just copy it if you want, like that. So I just hovered over it and copied it. Of course, if you're on a PC, it's Control-C. If you're on a Mac, it's Command-C. Oh, where am I at? Go back over here, and I'm just going to replace it. So now Destiny's a woman. Again, I want to bold this. See, this is not bold. So I want to bold that. And I'm not going to go through all the video, all of the people and do all the same things, because, you know, after my team watches this video, they'll go do it for me. But again, I've got this red line under here. So yes, we definitely need to fix that correction because it was correct. We do have the HTTPs here. Good, good, good. Okay, scroll down, all that's good. So I am pretty sure that this video is good. So what I did was I showed you how to make edits to your YouTube description today. And in fact, when I put this video on YouTube, I believe that will be the title, how to make effective edits to your YouTube video description. Hopefully I remember that when I go to save this. All right, so that's something else I'm working on. You can't see that. Hold on, let me get out of here. I need to go to stop share. If you just saw the sneak peek of the Master Your Time course, feel free to send me a message because I'm giving free access to it in the month of April 2021. So if you're interested, let me know. But I hope you all have a great day and that you were able to learn something that can take your business further with this video. Bye.